Hello, my name is Emma, and welcome to Design Patterns in Minutes by dpatterns.com. Today, we're exploring the facade design pattern, a pattern that simplifies complex systems by providing a single, unified interface. Think of the facade as a friendly front desk. Behind it, there might be a dozen different departments, each with its own complicated processes. But when you approach the front desk, you don't need to know how everything works. You just talk to one person who handles it all for you. That's exactly what the facade pattern does in software. In large systems, you often have multiple subsystems working together, like authentication, data access, logging, or notifications. Each one has its own classes, methods, and dependencies. If the client code had to call all of these directly, it would become tightly coupled and hard to maintain. The facade pattern solves this by creating one high-level class that exposes simple methods, internally coordinating all the complex details. Here's a concrete example. Imagine a smart home system with lights, air conditioning, and security cameras. Normally, you'd need to send commands to each device separately. Turn on the lights, adjust the temperature, activate the camera. With the facade pattern, you create a single class like Smart Home Controller that offers simple methods such as Start Night Mode or Leave Home. Inside those methods, the controller talks to all the subsystems for you. This approach makes the client code much cleaner and easier to read. Instead of dealing with the complexity of multiple classes, you just interact with a single, intuitive interface. The key benefit of the facade pattern is simplicity. It hides complexity, reduces coupling, and improves code organization. You can change how the subsystems work internally without breaking the code that uses the facade. Another great advantage is readability. Developers who join your project can understand and use the facade easily, without learning every internal detail. It's a great way to create clean APIs and user-friendly entry points into complex systems. However, one thing to keep in mind is that facade doesn't eliminate complexity. It only hides it. The underlying system is still there. The pattern just makes interaction more manageable and modular. To summarize, the facade pattern provides a simple interface to a complex system. It improves maintainability, readability, and overall design structure, while keeping your code organized and easy to work with. Thank you for listening to Design Patterns in Minutes with me, Emma. For the full explanation, examples, and diagrams, visit dpatterns.com.